Help Center Tutorials. How to add clients from your Precision Systems Web Administrator interface. There are several ways to add customers to Precision Systems to build your database. If you haven't already done so, we invite you to read our article How to Add Customers to Your Database in Precision Systems to learn about the other methods, and to choose the one that works best for you in each of the situations in which you will be creating a customer record. Adding customers from your Precision Systems Web Administrator interface is one of them. To do this, log into your Precision Systems Administrator account from the web or on your myPrecision mobile application. On the sidebar on the left side of the screen, click on Customers Account in the Loyalty section. This will give you access to your customer database, where you can add a customer by pressing the button Add, located in the upper right part of the page. A customer form will then be displayed to you, where you will have to fill in the data fields related to the customer that you want to add to your database. It is also possible to customize your customer records form and add personalized to learn how we invite you to read our article, How to Customize My Customers Forms. Note that the field name is mandatory in addition to either phone or email field. Once you have finished filling in the required fields, validate the creation of your customer's record by pressing the button Add at the bottom of the form on the right. And congratulations, your customer will have been added to your Precision Systems customer database. To add or modify information on the customer records you have created, consult our guide How to Modify a Customer Record.